everyone, I'm Adina and welcome back to Heart of Business series from Seller 365. If you've been scanning books with ScoutIQ, chances are you've seen this message, no result found. I know it's annoying, but before you blame the app or think the book's worthless, let's take a look on what's really going on. The no result found message usually isn't because ScoutIQ is broken, but it's usually related to how your scanning mode is set up. Let me tell you, ScoutIQ's offline database is one of the largest in the industry, over 9 million books in media items. But Amazon's catalog over 20 million and growing every single day. That means there are always going to be some gaps. Some titles might not been added to the offline file yet, maybe because they are newly listed, less common, or just simply because they haven't been scanned before. The key is to know how ScoutIQ looks up data depends on the scanning mode you're using. If you're still not sure what to use, let's break that down one by one. Database only mode. Think of this like carrying a giant book of prices you've downloaded earlier. It's fast and works offline, but if a book isn't in that file, there's a big chance you'll hit no result found. Then there's a live only mode. This keeps your local file and pulls real-time data from Amazon. Always up to date, but you'll need strong internet when using this mode. The last one and my favorite is combination of data plus live mode. It checks your local database first for a speed, then pulls live data if the book isn't found. This mode covers both bases and is the best defense against that error when you're online. Alright, now that you get the why, here's some recommendations to make it show up a lot less. Switch to data plus live mode. As I mentioned, it gives you the speed of your offline database. And if a book isn't there, ScoutIQ will instantly pull live data from Amazon. Then, if you'll be scanning without internet, remember to update your database before head out. This is to make sure your local file is as current as possible, so you'll run into fewer no result found message. So next time you see no result found, just note that it's usually about your scanning mode or an outdated file, not the book values. A quick setting tweaks or a database refresh can make all the difference. I hope this video helped, and if you're still stuck, drop your question in the comment or reach out to our Seller 365 support team. We'll help you get back to scanning in no time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.